In today's video, I will walk you through how to insert a histogram chart in PowerPoint. Select the slide where you want to add the chart. Then go to the Insert tab and click Chart. In the Insert Chart window, choose Statistic Chart. Select Histogram and click OK. An Excel-style spreadsheet will open automatically. Replace the sample data with your own raw numeric values. Once you have entered your data, close the spreadsheet window. The histogram chart on your slide will update automatically. If histogram is not available in your version of PowerPoint, you can create it in Excel. Enter your data in a single column. Go to Insert, click Insert Statistic Chart. Choose Histogram, then copy and paste the chart into PowerPoint. To customize the chart, click on it and use the Chart Design tab to change colors, styles, or add chart elements. You can also use the Format tab to adjust the appearance. To change the histogram bins, right-click the horizontal axis and select Format Axis. To summarize, insert a histogram chart, enter your data, close the spreadsheet to update the chart, customize it using the Chart Design and Format tabs, and adjust the bin settings if needed. Once your chart looks the way you want, it is ready to use in your presentation. Thank you for watching the video.